Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I will be showing you how we can clone voice, or basically explain you how we can clone voice in Murf AI. So you will need to come to this official website, Murf AI, create your account, and now we go further. When you are done with that, just go here to Open Studio, like so. And what you can do, now go here to the top right corner, Murf Suite, click on that, and right here you will see voice cloning. Click on that. But now we have here two options basically. So if you want really to clone your voice, you will need to contact sales, a member of their team, then we will be in touch with you. Now you will need to provide 1 to 2 hours of clean, professional, great voice recording of you, and then this model training of Murf's AI will analyze the pitch, speed, pacing to create a custom AI voice model, which will take about 1 to 4 weeks. And then when it's done, the cloned voice becomes available in the Murf Studio for use in project, something like that. And yeah, then you are ready with this your cloned voice. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can clone voice in Murf AI. So you need to make some progress through their team that you can create a voice. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.